Another graph that we do in section 2.1 is called an ogive. The ogive uses the upper class boundaries and the cumulative frequency. So again, we create a graph with a vertical scale and a horizontal scale. The horizontal scale again has the label of our data. In this case, it's distance in miles. And then we can label the vertical axis the cumulative frequency. We may want to put in parentheses here number of students so we know what it is we're counting. Okay, now we're going to plot some points for the ogive. The ogive, the points we're going to plot are the upper class boundaries that would be like our x variable, and the cumulative frequency with that. So for example, if we look at the frequency table that we did for our first class, the upper class boundary is 11.5 and the cumulative frequency is 5. So I go on my horizontal axis to 11.5 and go up 5 and plot a point. So I'm going to need to create some labels here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? And then on my horizontal scale, I'm just going to go ahead and plot my upper boundaries. Well, we'll do all of them. 3.5, 11.5, 19.5, 27.5, 35.5, and 43.5. So again, my first point was 11.5, upper class boundary, cumulative frequency. 11.5 up to 5. Plot a point. The next point will be 19.5 up to 12. 19.5 up to 12. Point. 27.5 up to 17. 10, 15, 16, 17. 35.5 up to 19. And 43.5 up to 20. So for the ogive, I connect these points. And an ogive, I think of the long eye like a kite, we have to tie down. So we go to 0 and we take it to the lower boundary of the first class. And that is an ogive.